Hey Patricia, have you seen this new website called crowdedchat.com? You can create albums, write a blog, upload music and videos, messages. It's out of Texas and pretty nice.
Yay, I did. What's so different than the other sites like, well, you know? I mean, don't they all do the same thing? Probably has too many kids on it and ad spaces.
Actually no. This site allows only 18 and up. No crazy ads or pop-ups and it's fairly easy to use. And you can actually create a business profile like a regular profile. Nice.
Really? What's the catch then? There is always something with these sites, whether it's taking your info, buying credits to use the site, or even paying monthly fees. Well?
Skeptic, huh? Well, this site doesn't have credits to buy and it doesn't charge you monthly fees, but it does cost a very small one-time fee, and I mean a very small fee.
Like what? $20, $30, or even $40? What's small? I mean, the economy is tough right now. Do they even have a mobile version? Look, if it's a small amount to pay, maybe.
Of course it is. How about $4.99? How's that for small? And that's a one-time fee only. Pretty cool, huh? No hidden surprises, just that.
What? Come on, really? That seems kinda little to charge a membership fee, but hey, I'm not complaining. Okay, you got me. No kids, no crazy ads, and a small fee. I'm there.
Cool, then signing up should be easy for you. Why don't I help you during lunch? We can record some cool footage from our offices like pranks on other peeps.
Sounds great. I'll tell my friends who are still in college to tell their friends so they can post their awesome photos and videos. This is gonna be cool.